how to do niche research properly from buyers for affiliate marketing, e-commerce. And before we get into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be teaching you everything there is to know about internet marketing and how you can actually make money online with these kind of knowledge, the real stuff. So let's get started. Niches. There's three different there's three big niche or niche, whatever you want to call it: health, wealth, and relationship. But why we do niche research before we even find offers, we want to know what your avatars want, who they are, what they want, and when, where, and why they need your product or offer. So if you're doing Clickbank, these are the niche categories they have on Clickbank, but most of the offers people are promoting are probably e-business, e-marketing, internet marketing. But I found like this is kind of hard on Clickbank because if they're doing internet marketing, they probably know about Clickbank. So yeah, and education's good. And recently, like, employment and jobs are coming up, and health and wealth. This is like the biggest one on Clickbank right now, with all the supplement products, the weight loss and product, parenting and family. Relationship is in here, and self-help. Self-help is like a survival type of thing. This is pretty big on Clickbank. And New Age, the numerology and all that spiritual thing kind of. These are like the main ones, I think. Well, these are like the ones mostly getting the sales on Clickbank. Like the categories on here, like, they have a lot more gravity. And why do we need to know niche research, the avatar? We need to know who these people are before you can even promote anything to them. Because if you don't know who these people are, how are you gonna know what they need and what they want? So to do this properly, we're going to use a couple websites: Amazon, Facebook, Pinterest, and Buzzsumo. And we'll go through Amazon first quickly. Like, I'm just going to do this quick. So just go to Amazon and search for your keyword. Like, if it's weight loss, when you're doing search, like, the suggestions that come up, these are like the main keywords that most people are searching for. So by looking at this, you could see like weight loss pills for women, men, pills for women, shake, hula hoop, supplements, gummies. So these are like the main ones that people are searching on Amazon. And if people are searching for Amazon, they probably want to buy these products. So Amazon is like one of the best sites to get information about your buyers, because it's a e-commerce platform, and there's a bunch of data on here, especially like you can see the reviews. And yeah, I probably don't need to go into too much details about like the reviews. Of course, the higher it's better. So we're just gonna check out the best spot, the bestseller right here for this one. We're just gonna check it real quick. And when we're doing this niche research, look at the title, and they usually have like the main keywords in here. So just remember, like, when we're promoting or anything, like, the keywords are very important. 60 natural veggies diet pills. Like, this is probably, they're pitching it as a natural veggie diet pill. So there's like, and when you read about the products, when you come to Amazon and do research, make sure you read the product descriptions. Like, you could tell, like, because this is a bestseller, and people can relate to this, and they actually bought a lot. This products probably do a lot of money on Amazon for sure. Supply. I'm not gonna read through it, but then you should read through it and see how people are wording the description. This is how like energy boost, appetite supplement, suppressant. Like you could get ideas of especially when you're writing copy for your landing page and stuff. But more importantly, we're gonna come down here. Of course, you could read through all this stuff and check how they're doing their graphics and stuff. But more importantly, we're gonna come down to of course, the customer review. We're gonna read some of these, like read it yourself, but because why you want to read the customer review, because you could get an idea of how people are actually like they're actually helping their product, or their products are actually helping them. And some of these might be fake, but yeah, but you could get like, see, so starting this kind of body history, like you could be using this as an ad if you're not if you're promoting on Facebook, but if you're promoting weight loss stuff on Facebook, you better be careful, because they're not really fond of like weight loss stuff. But you could get an idea, and you could write like a story related to this, and you could use some parts of it. It's a good idea to get a lot of copywriting stuff from here, because this is, well, some of these are real actual experiences of weight loss and their problems and stuff. So you could come in here and they are one of my concerns, blah blah blah. Well, just go through it and then get an idea what people are afraid of and what they actually need. Of course, like, weight loss is probably pretty simple. Like, people want to lose weight so they could look better and be healthier. That's probably like the main reason. But next we have Facebook. Facebook, you could go, same thing, go to your search bar. There's groups in here, and you could join the groups. And then there's articles, and then you could go to photos, photos thing. Just go do photos and videos. Oh, come it doesn't show like this. So if you're doing like videos, you could see like which one the reviews, which one people are more interested in. You could create content like this and spread it out, and then with your affiliate offer to your affiliate offers, or if you're selling supplements yourself, then your supplement, same idea. Just check out some of the ones that have like huge views. It might be ads, but then like this one's got 10 million, so yeah, people are interested in this. You could do like some sort of exercise, lose belly weight, whatever. But yeah, it's the same thing for videos, because you could see the data. Like, this is actually working. And this is only, 4 hours ago? It's got 10 million. What? It might be running ads, but let's see. Oh, yeah. Video create. What's going on? This guy's got like it's got a lot of views. But you could do something similar. Well, anyways, let's go on to Pinterest. Pinterest, same thing. Just type in your keyword in, and same thing when you search, like the suggestions. These are what people are searching for. So people are looking for weight loss meals, smoothies, plants, workout plans. These are the main ones. I'm not gonna go too into detail about the other functions and stuff, but okay, basically I'm just gonna search for something. So if you search for weight loss, pretty simple, but I'm gonna tell you the best Chrome extension you could get for Pinterest. It's called Pin on Top. If you use Chrome, you could go to the Chrome store, and it'll search by the saves, so you can see all the data, like what people are searching for and stuff, saving. So it's probably more what people want, but mostly if more saves is probably like these kind of posts, the info one or the videos usually. But you could check out it. It might be different for your niche, but see, by sorting out, it has like the date. You could do some kind of like ab challenge and stuff, of course pointing to your offer page. And yeah, these are great ideas you could do on Pinterest, and you could actually like create something similar like this and then be sharing it on Facebook pages, like the Facebook groups, I mean, the weight loss group, and then have your like a website link on the bottom. So when people see it, they might actually click and then go to your website, see if you could provide more content. And usually if you're doing that, you should be pushing them to like a squeeze page with the lead magnet. That's on a different topic, not on this video, later on. But we're gonna go to the last one. BuzzSumo. Type BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is like an app that collects a lot of data from the search of social. It's a paid app. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe they I'm supposed to click to create. Okay. Closure. Yes. They like yeah. Just want to show you guys what. Okay, never mind about BuzzSumo, but yeah, of course the bullet way is Google, of course. Whatever comes on top, and you can see what comes on top. Usually what's on top, people Google will deem as like more relevant. So these website, you can check it out to like what kind of content they have. Way fast, cutting back carbs. You could do like content like how to cut back on carbs, or it's more like a keto, eat protein, fats, and veg. Like you could get an idea of what kind of content create to share to your audience, and make sure when you're promoting affiliate or e-commerce, you're providing value to people, because if you provide value, people will trust you. The more they trust you, the more they're willing to pull out their wallet. And yeah, you could just do this. Just get a couple of the top pages on Google and check out what kind of content they have. And yeah, this is good stuff. But the BuzzSumo thing, I guess they only let you search once a day. I think I only used it once. But that's it for niche research. And just kind of make sure you subscribe. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. And peace out.